Hi children, today we are going to study lesson 10, motion and measurements of distances. Then we know generally we see many examples of motion around us like then birds flying, cars, bikes, then motors moving on road, etc. Then train run on railway tracks. Similarly, some objects are in rest position. Example, electric post, buildings, then trees, etc. Then we know answer the following these questions: which objects are moving or which objects are in rest. The moving object is in their motion and stationary place is represent rest. Then what is the definition of motion? Motion, an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surroundings. Motion means their place is change the position. That means the object is moving one place to another. Then rest. Rest means an object is said to be in motion if no changes in its position with respect to surroundings. Motion means then object's position change. Then rest means then no change its position in time. Then or in that surroundings. Then example of motion. Some examples are moving on a bus. Then rest position, trees, buildings, clock, etc. Then next now let us study about the types of motion. There are four types of motion. First is rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion and periodic motion. What are they? Rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion and periodic motion. First, rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion example, vehicles move on straight road. That means rectilinear motion is objects move on straight line. And definition is if an object or a body in translatory motion moves along a straight line, then the motion is called rectilinear motion. That means any object move along a straight line is called rectilinear motion. Example, soldiers marching in a parade, then ball dropping from a height, movement of bicycle on the road, then running race along the straight line. These are the example of rectilinear motion. What is rectilinear motion? An object moving along a straight line is called rectilinear motion. Example, soldiers march parade, then balls dropping down, then bicycle move a straight road, etc. Then next is circular motion. Circular motion means the circular motion. That means if the rotation of moon around earth, rotation of moon around earth, running of athlete in circular track, bull moving around a fixed pole motion of ceiling fan, then motion of children sitting on merry-go-round. Understand a circular motion? Circular motion means it moves in a fixed point. Circular motion represents it is moved in a fixed point. Example, the rotation of moon around the earth, then running of athlete in circular track, then bull moving around a fixed pole, then motion of ceiling fan. Then next is rotational motion. That means rotational motion means turning around itself. Then they start one position to rotate, it is stay in that same position. That means rotational motion. Example, the rotational motion means the body is turned around itself. The motion of the earth about its axis. Very good example of rotational motion is the motion of the earth about its axis. And rotational motion means an object is moving one path to then stop the same position is called rotational motion. Then Then next is periodic motion. Periodic motion means the motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time is known as periodic motion. That means the motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time is known as periodic motion. Example of periodic motion is the motion of minute hand of our wristwatch. That means motion of minute hand in wristwatch. Then motion of a simple pendulum. That means this simple pendulum only move to and from movements there or this position. It is called a periodic motion. Then revolution of planet around the sun. Then motion of a swing, a branch of tree moving to and fro. Then string of guitar and the surface of drums and tabla. These are the examples of periodic motion. Understood? So then once more, then first say some objects in our we see around us many motions take place. Example, birds flying, then children running, then building, clocks, trees, etc. Some objects are in rest and some objects are in motion. Rest means these objects cannot move one place to another. And motion means this move one place to another. That means change the position. And definition of motion: an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surroundings is called motion. Then rest means no change in its position. Motion means change in position and rest means no change in position. Then what are the different types of motion? Rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion and periodic motion. Then rectilinear means the object move along a straight line. That means vehicles move on straight road, then others run on straight track, etc. Then circular motion means they move in fixed point. Example, then the moon rotate the earth. Then rotational motion means it will start turning around itself. That means it is starting position and the ending position is same. Then periodic motion means after a regular interval of time. Then regular interval of time represent periodic motion. Then straight rectilinear example, vehicles move on straight road. Then planets are revolving around the earth. Then ceiling rotational circular motion, ceiling fan. Then periodic motion example in swing. Then simple pendulum, clock, handle, etc. These are the example of periodic motion. Then understood?